Hi everyone, and welcome back to the ongoing video series for food and beverage industry, which is known worldwide for its safety and quality. Because of this, there's a huge opportunity for companies in the food and beverage industry to export their products or to expand their exporting activities to new markets. Now, today we'll be discussing in particular opportunities in Canada for U.S. food and beverage companies. According to the U.S. Department of Commerce, in 2020, Canada was the second largest exporting market for agricultural exports, accounting for over $22 billion in U.S. exports, as well as 15% of total U.S. agricultural exports. Consumer-oriented agricultural exports account for the largest share at U.S. $17 billion and over 3/4 of total U.S. agricultural exports to Canada. Some of the top consumer-oriented agricultural exports include prepared foods, baked goods, cereals and pasta, fresh and processed vegetables, fresh and processed fruit, meat and meat products, snack foods, non-alcoholic beverages, chocolate and cocoa products, condiments and sausage, coffee, wine, beer, and pet food. Also in 2020, the U.S. imported $25.3 billion in imports of agricultural products from Canada as well. Canada is the largest destination of U.S. exports of high-value agricultural products with a market share of 25% in 2020 and a total market value of up to $17 billion. Consumer-oriented agricultural products are foods typically used in restaurants or sold in supermarkets as well. These high-value exports support over 130,000 jobs in the U.S., and many of these suppliers are small to medium-sized exporters. Canada is also heavily dependent on a wide range of consumer-oriented products of U.S. agricultural imports. The best opportunity for export growth of U.S. agricultural products are expected to be found in the retail sector, aka grocery stores and supermarkets. In 2020, Canada's food and beverage retail sales increased a total 10% surge from the previous year. This includes a cap of $109 billion, including $20 billion in alcohol sales alone, while at the same time COVID-19 pandemic response measures also drove double-digit losses in food service. Following consumer stockpiling of bulk and essential commodities during the early portions of the pandemic, what we saw was an increase in meals prepared at home throughout the year as food service outlets were reduced or had to do takeout or limited to specific dining operations. Additionally, demand for consumer packaged goods that are typically identified as organic, natural, or made with clean ingredients continues to rise. As the pandemic continues to evolve, consumer shopping behaviors will continue to adapt to it as well. With COVID-19 related financial insecurity in the country, typically price-conscious Canadian consumers are expected to remain cautious in the near term, driving sales of private label products and tempering the pace of premiumization. Essential items including rice, pasta, and bread, as well as snack-based products will continue to perform well. At IBT Online, we have online global programs designed specifically for food and beverage businesses, which will help companies reach their target audience in Canada. Please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you.